Tell me what you're doing with the ants.
Making a hole for them
How are you making the holes?
with this.
Then what do you do?
Then they go to their beds.
Then what?
Then they cover up themselves with some dirt.
Well, do you cover them up or do they cover themselves up?
I covered them up.
Oh, good.
Oh, I just have to take that one.
Was there one down there?
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Do you love ants?
Yeah, I do.
What's your favorite animal?
Hawaiians.
How come?